This is like a new twist on a green bean casserole. It's a sheet pan green bean casserole. Are you ready to make some cheese sauce?
I'm ready. I was born for this.
You're gonna start with some butter, and then you're gonna whisk in some flour.
Okay.
While Katie's doing all that, I just have some green beans that I'm trimming. Super easy. Just cut off the little ends of them, and then they're gonna go on my sheet pan. Woo.
And I'm guessing you want me to just cook this for about a minute and get that flour taste out of it.
Absolutely. Okay, so that looks good, and now you're gonna whisk in that hot milk.
Okay.
Okay, so I have green beans, shiitake mushrooms, and then, you know, a lot of people like bacon in their casseroles, but I like the salt, but to keep it vegetarian for everybody at your Thanksgiving, I'm putting in some capers.
Okay. Oh, I like that idea.
And then they roast up and get crunchy and salty and delicious, but are friendly for everybody.
Some garlic powder, is that what this is?
Yes,
Okay.
garlic powder and pepper.
So garlic
Any
powder
salt
and pepper
or
into
no?
the roux.
Yep.
Okay.
And then I'm going, again, salt and pepper as well as a little bit of olive oil. Oh, ooh. And that's all, look how easy that is.
That is very easy.
It looks pretty already, right?
Really pretty.
So, I love using an oven like this when my other ovens are full at the holidays. So, drop those down, and then look at this. Ooh.
Beautiful.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Hello, right?
All right, my cheese sauce is thickening up.
It looks beautiful. Looks really nice. Let's test the consistency.
Oh, yes. Nappe.
Old schooling, girl.
Nappe.
Okay, so it really, any kind of a cheese sauce that you're making or a bechamel has to come up to a boil. Look at that, perfect. So now you can stir in that goat cheese.
Okay.
Ooh, nice job. So these are great roasted, but they'd also be wonderful air fried that you can also do in an oven like this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right? Okay, I'm gonna grab this. So this is, you know, people are big fans of things that are deconstructed or like kind of look all chefy. So casserole never looks that pretty, right?
No, it doesn't.
But it does when you put it on a tray.
A foundation of cheese sauce.
Exactly.
That's called a schmear.
Hello.
Look at that. It's so velvety.
Wow.
Nice and smooth. And
It was
that's
so expertly made.
it was, it really was. Okay, so now you just put those green beans on the top of it.
I love this.
You're getting all the delicious things that you typically get in a green bean casserole, which is cheesy and ooey and gooey and creamy, but it's a little bit fresher. It's a little bit more fun. It's a little chefier. It's gonna make everybody ooh and
And you're
ah.
not covering the star of the show, which are the green
No,
beans,
look
right?
how pretty that
Right.
looks.
That is so pretty.
Okay, now we just go on with a little bit of this. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, more cheese.
Just for the top. So we put a little bit more cheese on the top just to make it look pretty, honestly, because there's so much cheese in there. It's heaven. And
Well,
then,
you know, you forgot a few.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
Yeah, what are we waiting?
6:30, Damaris.
Okay.
Gotta let things...
Oh, I know
And
what those
then-
are.
Oh,
these
good.
are,
No, you didn't.
Cheese.
yeah, little crispy onions. Yeah.
Which is traditional. Right?
So you have every single part of a green bean casserole that you love.
That's right.
But it's super fast, it's super easy, and it's real delicious.
It's so pretty.
Thank you. When
So
does green bean
elegant.
casserole ever look like that?
Never.
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 This is
Not a-
what I imagine green bean casserole looks like in your house, Jeffrey. Like rich.
Now it's...
Jeffrey's like, we've never had a casserole in my
I know.
house.
It's not true, Katie.
I'm gonna plate some more just so you all can have it as well, because it's not Thanksgiving if everybody's not eating and in a food coma.
And we talked about resting our turkey for at least an hour. I
Yeah.
mean, you could do 6 of these in only
Totally.
10 minutes within that time.
Boom.
You know what I love about this?
Yes.
Because you roasted those green beans, they have this nice crunch to them that you don't necessarily get in the casserole. The nice tang from the goat cheese in there, which is gonna be really important.
Okay, wait.
And then the salty capers,
And those mushrooms.
the
which
mushrooms, give it a good umami bit.
No more can of cream of mushroom sauce, huh?
Well, you saw how easy that was. Why would you open a can when you
That's
can
right.
do that? Damaris, this is awesome.